rectangular marquee tool M. Elliptical marquee tool. I have a little thing to tell you guys. Small box. What is anti-alias? Which of you is a gamer? He must have known very well. Simple thing. What is anti-alias? A round circle and fills it with color. Zoom in on this circle. Some blur pixels are visible. If the straight edges, the whole pixel a fail. When it comes to the curve line of the diagonal line to edge per small blur, add 100% size perfectly smooth. This is called anti-alias. If we turn off anti-alias, elliptical marquee tool, select the circle, and using foreground color in it, both circles zoom in. Difference show why. Because anti-alias off. Lasso tool, the way you draw. That way you can make selection. All the options that were covered in the previous selection. To make a selection, you can do it by pressing Shift. If I want to subtract, then press Alt. Polygon Lasso tool. People asks me which selection is better. It depend which selection. Left click and click layer via copy. Ctrl J. Magnetic Lasso tool. The Magnetic Lasso tool creates selections, automatically clinging to edges of contrast objects. In the toolbox, select the Magnetic Lasso tool. Edge contrast defines tool's sensitivity. Frequency defines how often the tool sets anchor points. How do I use the Magnetic Lasso tool in Photoshop 2020? To use the Magnetic Lasso tool, click on the edge of your object where you want your selection to begin, and then follow the object as closely as you can with the mouse. The Magnetic Lasso tool will snap to the edge of the object as you follow it. Quick selection tool.
Magic Wand tool. What is the Magic Wand tool?
The Photoshop Magic Wand tool is a quick and easy way to select and mask certain portions of an image, giving you the ability to alter one part of your image while leaving other parts intact. The Magic Wand tool works by selecting an area of solid color within an image.